Hi, this is Wayne from Interface Visual, and it's the end of the year, and I'm going through all the stuff that I bought, and I bought a lot of crap this year, but I did find something that is my favorite thing that I totally did not know was going to be my favorite thing at the end of 2022, and that is the Tripltek Pro 8 tablet. Now, I bought this tablet for my drones, and working with drones, this is great. It's built like a tank. It is super bright. The battery lasts forever, and it has a telephone as a data plan. So as far as a tablet for drones, it is perfect. But to my surprise, as you can see, on screen is the image from my A7C, which this tablet is controlling. And I'm using a program called Monitor Plus or Monitor Pro, and I have full control over everything: ISO, white balance, autofocus, the modes. It has zebras, false color, all of it on the program. And as you can see, that this tablet is so bright, even in these lights, that you can clearly see how bright this is and how sharp this is. So yes, you can get Monitor Plus for an iPad, and I do use an iPad a lot, but what happens is, since those are all Wi-Fi dependent, sometimes the connections go wrong, there's lag. On Monitor Plus, this allows me to go USB-C out from the tablet directly to the camera, so there is no lag, and it is a great connection. It is a solid connection that I can really depend on when I'm shooting tether. Yeah, I mean, with the cord, I can't go walking around kind of, and going from room to room, but for architectural shoots where I want to use it for focus, composition, and things like that, a solid wired connection is really necessary. And being that this connection is like this, I don't use my computer that much. So, I do have my Ninja, and it will control the on and off, and it gives me all those kind of features for video, but it doesn't control my camera for photography. So, as much as I love this, this is pretty much has replaced my iPad computer and the Ninja for my field monitor. So, Tripltek Pro 8 tablet, my best and favorite thing that I bought so far in 2022. You don't have to buy it. It is $800, but if you're looking for a field monitor and something for video and controlling your camera, and you want to have a direct connection, this is amazing. I'm Wayne from Interface Visual. Have a good new year.